반갑습니다. 당다라. Hi everybody around the world. Anyone who wants to learn Korean with Tricia, follow us. Okay, Unit 6. Tricia, Unit 5. You remember we studied 이것, 저것, right? The same thing. This time 이것들, 저것들. What's the difference? 들. Yeah, in Korean we say 들. When we say 들 means plural. Plural. Yeah, like yeah, we say 단수, 복수. 단수 is a singular. 복수 is a plural. So 이것들, 저것들.
이것들, 저것들.
Yeah, good student. She automatically follows me. She automatically repeats me. Wow. Yes. 이것들은 무엇이에요? You remember 무엇이에요? 무엇이에요? Yeah. 이것들은 무엇이에요? These are what? What are these? Okay?
Yeah.
So English, you know, this plural is these. That plural is those, right? We say 이것들. 이것들은 무엇이에요?
이것들 무엇이에요?
Good job. What are these? Okay?
Yes.
저것들은 무엇이에요?
저것들은 무엇이에요?
She follows just one sentence exactly. Follow me. Wow. 저것들은 무엇이에요? What are those? Okay?
Okay.
Wow. Yeah. Good job. Then we can say 이것들은 야구공이에요. 야구공 is a baseball. 야구공이에요. 야구공이에요. 이것들은 야구공이에요. These are baseballs. 이것들은 야구공이에요. 오, 저것들은 축구공이에요. 축구공, soccerball. 야, 축구공이에요. 축구. Very cute, right? 저것들은 축구공이에요. Yeah, good job. Okay, everybody. See ya.
Thank you for watching.